Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are starting it off with the DVIC, checking the vehicles, safety inspection, and all that good stuff. Yes, sir. That's what we do every morning and every night when we come back. What's up, bro? How you feel working for Baba so far?
So far, I love it. I love everybody's energy. It's like one big family.
Yo,
I felt welcome from like the
that's what's up,
first
bro.
day I started, honestly.
That's
So I
what's
love
up.
it here.
Hey. All right, check it out, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, we got about 126 stops today. We got 209 packages, so we're gonna kill it all the way up in the air. Let's go. So it says I have 14 bags and yeah, that much overflow. Oof, lovely. Yes, Marshallese radio right there. All Marshallese songs in my Amazon van. So on my right, I got Kiara. On my left,
Hide your kids. Hide your wife. And keep away from Kara.
all right, this is how my van looks like. Yes, sir. All filled up. Yep, this is how it looks like from the front. Got some packages right here in the front seat. Tote 1, tote 2 down there. Yes, sir. So I learned these tricks from Al and also Didi, who are our Baba Transportation's top drivers. And you know what? It's about to go down. So yeah. What's up, Mr. Hoyne? You like to say something to the people?
How's it?
Yes, sir.
Malikaliki Maka and a Happy New Year to all of you out there. Stay safe.
Raja. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are done with DVIC, RTS, and everything. Rescued somebody today, and yeah, so it was a good day. Tomorrow, let's find out what happens. Day 62, baby. Let's go.